Hello everyone, welcome to GK Updates. Let's start our interesting session. First one is PM Mitra scheme was implemented by which ministry? The answer is Ministry of Textiles. Here are some interesting facts about this ministry and scheme is Madhya Pradesh has received the formal approval for the rupees 2100 crore Prime Minister Mega Integrated Textile Region and April PM Mitra Park Project. The project has been selected by the Union Ministry of Textiles and will be the first integrated textile park of its kind in India. The PM Mitra scheme aims to strengthen the Indian textile industry by enabling large scale operations. It seeks to reduce logistics cost by housing the entire value chain at one location. The scheme also aims to attract investment by the 5F vision, that is, farm to fiber, to factory, to fashion, to foreign of the Prime Minister. The scheme was implemented by the Ministry of Textile. The second one is what is mycetoma? That was recently seen in news. The answer is a chronic, progressively destructive infections disease. Here are some interesting facts about these diseases are the world's only research center on mycetoma, a neglected tropical disease, has been destroyed in Southern's 2-year war. Mycosoma is a chronic, progressively destructive infection disease of the subconsciousness tissues, affecting the skin, deep tissues, and bones. It was first reported in Madurai, India in the mid 19th century and was initially called Madura foot. Mycetoma is caused by a variety of microorganisms, either fungal or bacterial. It commonly affects young males aged 15 to 30 years in developing countries. The disease is found in tropical and subtropical regions with short rainy seasons and prolonged dry periods. Mycetoma is endemic in the Mycetoma belt, including countries like Sudan, Chad, and India. Third one is which country has discovered a bacteria named Ca electrothic yaconense that can conduct electricity? The answer is United States of America, in short USA. Here are some interesting facts about this bacteria are scientists in the USA have discovered a bacteria named Ca electrothics yaconacea that can conduct electricity. It is named after the Yacona people, indigenous to the Yacuna Bay region in the USA. This bacterium is noble for its ability to conduct electricity, a rare characteristic among bacteria. The conductivity helps optimize metabolic functions in sediment environments. Ca electrothics Yaconacea holds potential for developing bioelectric devices in medicine, industry, and food safety. These bacteria can transfer electrons to clean up pollutant, making them useful for removing harmful substances from sediments. The fourth one is which organism conducted the ground test of the Saram jet engine in India? The answer is Defense Research and Development Organization, in short DRDO. Here are some interesting facts about this Sakram jet engine. Recently, the Defense Research and Development Laboratory DRDL under the Defense Research and Development Organization successfully conducted a ground test of a Saram jet engine for over 1,000 seconds in Hyderabad. A Saram jet full form is Supersonic Combustion Ramjet, is an air-breathing engine designed to operate efficiently at hypersonic speeds Mach 5 and above. Unlike traditional jet engines, Sakram's jets do not use rotating compressors. Instead, they rely on the vehicle's high speed to compress air. Saram jets enable supersonic combustion, making them ideal for hypersonic cruising missiles, that is HCMs. The fifth one is Yellowstone supervolcano, which was seen in news, is located in which country? The answer is United States. Here are some interesting facts about this volcano is a breathing cap of magma has been discovered inside the Yellowstone supervolcano, which might help predict when the volcano will next erupt. According to a new study, the Yellowstone National Park in the western United States, it is one of the largest active volcano system in the world. The supervolcano is a caldera, a large crater formed by a major eruption, and is an active supervolcano system. The caldera measures 55 into 72 kilometers. In miles, we can say that 34 into 45 miles in size. This is all in this session. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.